To set up Save folder in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open Files on your phone. Next step is to scroll down, and then in Collections you should find a Save folder. If you click on it for the first time, it will ask you to create a lock that you will use to unlock your Save folder. You can either go for a PIN or pattern password. In this case, we're gonna go for pattern and create the password that we want to use to unlock it. When our password is created, that way our Save folder will be already installed and we can start to use it. And now to move your files into Save folder, you will need to select a specific file, then click on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and move that file to the Save folder. Also, each time you will need to provide your password. When the file is moved, it should be accessible only in the Save folder, as you can see right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.